So if you want to build an online course and you're not sure where to start or what kind of course to actually create, then watch this video. It's a short one, but I will walk you through 4 course types that are actually selling right now. So then you know exactly who this course is actually best for, so you can just stop guessing and actually start building that course that you're trying to build. And I'm Nikki Kelly. I'm the founder of WISDOME. We help course creators, coaches, educators, and community builders actually share what they know in a very simple, scalable, and sustainable way online. Now, one of our most common roadblocks I see is that people have all this awesome knowledge, right? You have all this awesome knowledge. But when it comes to actually formatting what kind of course is it that I really want to deliver, well, that becomes a huge barrier for a lot of people. So let's fix that today. And whether you're brand new or whether you're looking to actually simplify what it is that you're already teaching, watch this video. Okay, so the first type of course that you can create is just one of those quick win courses, right? And as it is, it's a quick course. This is perfect if you're just starting out or if you want to test an idea before going all in with all this information, right? And in this particular course, it's best for beginners, side hustlers, anyone who is offering some sort of service but wanting a low ticket digital product just to really push out there. And the content that you would provide in that is basically anywhere from 3 to 5 lessons within it. And the price range could vary anywhere from $7 if you wanted to, free, even up to like about $97 or something. It's one of those short little mini courses that people are aware of based on obviously the price. An example of that would be, write your own bio in 30 minutes. And that's great for, freelancers, small business owners, right? And why it actually particularly works is it's fast to build, it would be simple to sell, and it could just help you grow your audience to upsell into something bigger as well. The second one is a signature program. And usually these ones are where you just you have more of a transformation in this particular course. And it's ideal if you've got a repeatable method or a formula or something that, use that your clients can process and that actually works, obviously delivers the goal. So it gives your learners a full journey more so from A to Z rather than the quick little win, right? And this could be best for coaches, consultants, or educators with an established framework of some sort. So people are aware of the kind of framework you teach, the formula that you use and so forth. So this is why we call it the signature program. And in this particular type of format course, you would probably deliver anywhere from 6 to 8 modules or courses, lessons. And these are usually often drip released. So that means it would be a lesson that they have to complete before they see the next one. It could be based on progress feed or it could be drip feed based on time scheduling. And the price range for these ones, because it's a signature program, would be much higher because obviously you're delivering more of a transformation in this course. And an example of that would be, let's say, 6 steps to launch your first podcast or something like that. And that would include things like the content, obviously, of the course, but you'd be delivering information on probably the tech they would use, some branding ideas, some promotion ideas. You're giving them that full journey to get to that end result, right? And people will pay more for this particular type of course because there's a bigger transformation and it has structure and obviously accountability because it's based on you're offering your signature. Another type of format is a challenge-based course, right? So if you're a community builder, for example, or someone who just thrives on all that energy and action inside your actual, community membership, then this one's a really good one. And it's based on giving your audience daily momentum, like over 5 to 10 days. So there's sort of a structured format, of course, but it's deliverable within a certain time frame. So it's best for, like I said, those community first type of creators and anyone that's trying to build up a list. But what you can do with respect to the content that you put into the actual course, you could add things like daily tasks. So you're actually getting to take actions. You'd have videos in there and you could possibly deliver it via emails if you wanted to do as well, because it's on a daily basis. And the price range, challenges can run for free, but normally because it's a short period of time, and they're doing activities and you're not too invested in it, you're just there for a short period of time, you'd probably only charge anywhere up to maybe $200 or something, but it's your prerogative. So an example of a challenge, which is very common, you've got like those 5-day challenges or something. So it could be like declutter your your inbox, with one small task each day sort of thing. Now, the reason why this works is because it can create those fast wins and it does build trust, i.e. why you'd be building up that list, those leads of getting people into your membership or your courses or programs. So it really can keep people engaged, new people into your system, or people who are currently in your membership engaged for longer term, involvement in your membership. Now, the fourth and final one, there's many formats, right? But this is this is the fourth one out of this video, but a hybrid coaching course, right? Now, it's very popular. So this is ideal if you're a coach or if you're a service provider, in a sense that you want to sort of scale rather than sort of a done for you sort of thing. It could be a done with you or, teaching people to do it themselves. This kind of program or format anyway. Anyone that loves that high touch. So any high touch educators who likes to have that sort of one-on-one interaction or group interaction live. And the content that would be involved in this, you might do pre-recorded videos and so forth, but the main thing is you'd have your core lessons, you'd have a live, and you'd have a chat-based support. It's just that extra additional touch that people will get with you based on just your course, the information you're sharing, you, and interaction with everyone as well. And the price range for this can be pretty high. And this is why it's quite popular, because it's that high ticket sort of product that you can put out there. And an example of this would be like building your brand in 30 days. There's like a bigger transformation in this type of course. So it's like anything that you offer in this, it's going to need that major support. It's a possibility that this particular course, you're going to get a lot of questions, queries, and so forth from your learners. And that's why this course is obviously more expensive for people to invest in, because you're there answering those questions. That's where that live chat comes in. And you would possibly have like 4 core modules with mini lessons within them. And the amount of information that you're sharing will take people onto, like I said, a bigger transformation. And why it works is that your time gets leveraged, but your students will still feel guided, right? Which means that you'll get more people completing the actual program because you're in there seeing them go through that completion. And it will build better results and therefore word of mouth. And look, if you're still trying to decide on what to do or how to create it, I do have a $27 Australian $27 course available to you. Now, within that particular course, we're introducing a awesome AI bot, and her name is Sage. And what she basically does is through the course, as you're learning the information, you can ask Sage questions and she will help you define your course idea and offer. So the link will be in the link will be below in the description, and it will just help you pick through what course type you want to do, shaping your topic and outlining the first few lessons at least for you. So you can get access to Sage for just $27 in this course. You'll get taught how to actually format the options you have, and you can chat about it with Sage the whole time. Basically, it's like having your own course strategist in your pockets. So what's your action plan from here? Well, pick your course type. Just think about what it is that makes you feel more aligned with the energy that you have, like I mentioned, or the guidance that you're trying to give to those out there, whether you want them to have a quick win or you really want to help them and have a high touch sort of program where you're around more often. So have a think about what it is that you want to share. I'd love to see you in the course and have Sage help you along. It is only 27 Australian dollars. It's not much at all, and you have access to it forever. So try the link below. So courses don't have to be complicated, and hopefully this video helped you see that. So have to think, what is it that's the right fit for you? What's actually going to offer that clear result for your audience as well? And if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss our next video. And if you do feel up to it, leave a comment below about what kind of course format you're thinking of doing. We'll see you in the next video.